I'm Anil Kumar, and this particular video is really a test of you on factoring trinomials. The question here is simplify and state restrictions. So we have a rational expression here, which is 2x squared minus 3x minus 20 divided by 4x squared plus 8x minus 5 divided by 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 divided by 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. You can actually pause the video, copy this question, and then check with my answer. Now you have to be really patient in doing such questions. Each and every trinomial should be factored separately, and then you should place the values and simplify. Let's begin with the first factoring, which is 2x squared minus 3x minus 20. So we are looking for product of minus 40, so we will and sum of minus 3. So what we are looking for is p times q of minus 40 and p plus q of minus 3. So 8 times 5 gives us the magic combination, right? 8 times 5. 8 should be negative and 5 positive, since we need sum as negative. So we could split 3x as combination of minus 8x plus 5x minus 20. Now combine the first two, get 2x. We are left with x minus 4. And in the next one, we can take 5 as a factor, and we are left with x minus 4 as expected. And then x minus 4 is the common factor, and we get 2x plus 5. That is how we can factor the first trinomial. So I will write this, the first one, as x minus 4 times 2x plus 5. Okay, now let's do the denominator part. So in the denominator, we have 4x squared plus 8x minus 5. So 20 is the product with negative sign, and sum is 8. So the two numbers are 10 and 2, right? 10 should be positive. We write this as 4x squared plus 10x minus 2x minus 5. Combine these two. So 2x is common here. So we get 2x plus 5. Here we'll take minus common, 2x plus 5. Remember, they will always be same. If you don't get them same, you have to check your solution. Okay, so that's the key. So we get here 2x plus 5 times 2x minus 1. Let's do the other two now. So we'll begin with 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. We have 3x squared plus 7x plus 2. Product of 6, sum of 7. So it could be written as 3x squared plus 6x plus x, that is 7x, right? Plus 2. When you take these two terms, 3x is common. You're left with x plus 2. We already have x plus 2 here. X plus 2 is common now. And the other factor is 3x plus 1. So we'll write this factor here. So we have divided by 3x plus 2 times 3x plus 1. I hope you can see it, right? Okay, we'll change this pen. Okay, let me take blue. Now the last one here is 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Product of minus 4, sum of 3. So it is 4 times 1. So you could write this as 2x squared plus 4x minus x. That gives us plus 3x. Combine these two. 2x is common. X plus 2 minus is common, x plus 2. X plus 2 times 2x minus 1. That is how you have to factor. So we get x plus 2 times 2x minus 1. Once you get all the factors, at this stage you should write down the restrictions before cancelling. That is kind of very important, right? So let me write down the restrictions at this stage, and I'm writing my answer as restrictions are. So what are the restrictions? All the values in the denominator cannot be 0. So first one is minus 5 over 2, that will give us 0. The second one is half. Here we have minus 2. Then we have plus half. These two are same, so we don't have to write. Remember, this is division, so you have to also consider the numerator, because next statement we have to flip and write. So we'll write minus 2, which is already there, and minus 1 over 3 and minus 1 over 3. So these are all the restrictions for this, correct? So now let us continue simplifying. So we have done the restrictions part first, since after simplifying sometimes you may lose some of the values, right? Now let's simplify. Look for things which can be cancelled. So in this case we have 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5 common, they can be cancelled. Then we have x plus 2x plus 2 common, which can be cancelled, right? Now, okay, actually I did a wrong thing here. Well, in a way, I should do the next step and then cancel. So let me rewrite this, okay? X minus 4 times 2x plus 5. Now, cancelling this was not a problem since it was in the same term. But anyway, we should not do it like this. We should first rewrite the whole expression with multiplication and flipping it. So we get here x plus 2 times 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 times 3x plus 1. Now you see it has come in the denominator. That is why we included this in our restrictions. And at this stage we have to cancel. So x plus 2 cancel here. 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. Now 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 also cancel. Do you see that? They also cancel. Now here we are left with these two terms. Numerator has x minus 4 and the denominator is 3x plus 1. So this particular rational expression simplifies to x minus 4 divided by 3x plus 1, and these are the restrictions for us. So we can write down all our answer. That is, simplified form is this, correct? This is the simplified form and the restrictions are these. Okay. I hope these steps help you to do such expressions. I have one more example to go. I'd like you to practice that one. Thank you and all the best.